Hello, everyone. My name is Gian Ramirez, and I worked on the front end of our project. On behalf of community, I'd like to welcome you today. Before I show you all the app, I'd like to ask if you can recall in memory a time where you've not had a meal available for a night, or alternatively, a time that you've had maybe too much for dinner and had to throw away your leftovers. Didn't you wish at that moment that you had someone to give it to? Well, community can solve both issues for you. Community is a social media platform built to aid in the combat of world hunger by proposing an immediate solution of giving food to the needy. In community, individuals who cook meals for others are called our chefs, and individuals who are in need of a meal are called guests. To create this page, we use the React framework with the runtime Node.js. Using JavaScript, we've incorporated a video on our landing page that will also provide details on navigating the site. After our video, we have a couple of call to action cards for our visitors. The first action card is for our chef, and it asks them if they'd like to combat food waste and provides them 5 steps to begin as a chef. And for our guests, the action card asks if they're looking for a meal and provides them 5 simple steps to get a meal. This is followed by our featured chef of the month and a live view of our company's Twitter account. Near the end, we have interactive links that will take the user to our article or event pages. Now I will hand it off to Haley.
Haley,
Haley, I
you
think you're
are
muted.
muted.
Sorry, apologize. Thank you, Gian. Hi, I'm Haley Fate. The user homepage is where the user can find information about themselves. For instance, their city, address, as well as their type of user. Any user will see their own information. We retrieved this information when they created their account. As well, you can see this user is the chef, but also administrator. We built another side of the site specifically for administrators to approve users and post and remove them if necessary. If the user is a chef, they can also post food on their homepage, as well as deliver the food to a certain location and let other users know it was delivered. On our Find Food page, guests can then find food from other users and request to get the food. The requested food will then be removed from the current food post. The guests can also put their location into the search box, and the map will take them to that area so they can find food. On this page, the chef can also mark food on the map to let other users know what food is around. We use the API to call the Google Maps platform featured on this page. Now I'll hand it off to Victor.
Thank you, Haley. Hi, I'm Victor. I worked on the back end. Here we have our article page, a place where users can post and see updates from important information regarding the community outreach to updates on how we at the community are helping people and how many people have been helped so far. Now I'd like to pass it on to Hakan so he could talk to you about our events page.
Thank you, Victor. I'm Hakan. I work on the backend and front end of the project. The event page offers users access to up-to-date global news. Users can follow the current news from more than 20 news resources here, and you can access world hunger availability in the news. To develop user interface, we fetched data from an open source front-end library. I will pass it on to Freda for the FAQ webpage, and thank you.
Thank you, Hakan. The purpose of our FAQ page is to provide quick answers to common questions that our business can anticipate. An FAQ page empowers customers to self-serve, enabling them to find solutions quickly on their own. I would like to add that we were able to produce this ingenious work in an orderly and timely manner using Scrum Agile tools for the workflow. Now I'll pass on to Luis to summarize.
Thank you, Farida. So I work in backend and frontend. It's not a secret that more than 26 million of the US population suffer from ambient hunger. To face the problem, our team, as you have seen, presents a solution that is less restrictive and simple to deploy. The solution consists of giving users the possibility to offer meal to the needy via our website. In addition, the data collected will give opportunity to propose solutions to face other underlying problems. For instance, highlight some cause of poverty, identify the area most affected by hunger, improve food quality. On the technical side, a MediCMS was built in parallel using MVC API in order to set up a real front-end and back-end on the two different ports. In conclusion, to fight hunger, the project name Community proposed an immediate solution, and also its extension will serve to face several other underlying problems. Thank you very much.